Shosho guys, we come back to speaker now. I'm still a boy that DJ. So 2026 we are back with interview to Kala and interview tell us because I'm artist aqomba wa pitch up so I invite our pitch up but today it's been like saqala unyaka ikhona interview engolo ngifuna ukuyenza last day because this guy akahlala around apha aqomba but uyabuya kwama holiday. So today we speaker now we have uZuchi boy uproducer ukhona lana wakhona wenye lala khona la aqomba uzositshela yena but ke welcome to speaker now Zuchi trend.
Sure, kanjani?
How's it?
Sure, good I am, man.
Yo, hayi. Sabonga kube khona umuntu opitch up because says that disappointed lezi zakula qum. Hayi. That is why invite I think last time before nje ukufika wena because I think interview yogcina sibena maybe around uJuly. Bekukhona uLuna enye into nase Showbar. After bona maybe sesi invite abantu ama more than 6 sibaneza ama dates but masemele bepitch abafiki. So nje speaker now my interview bese ngithe nami ngawahlehlisa but sawaphusha abantu aba interested basangafika. So ake sibule ku story sakho uqale ni producer.
Okay.
Noma before say lapha sithi nje uZuchi uzalwe lapha la Qumbu because ngifuna bekulocate so that bezokubona abangakini.
Okay. What's up? Gama ngizukhanya Lucwaba, also known as uZuchi boy, all the way from Emahlungulu. That's where I was born and raised. Mahlungulu town yayo lapha kuQumbu. Yeah. So music production okay ngivele ithi nje kwaumuntu
edibene music because I'm sure abantu basemahlungulu into ye rap ayonto yabazi
yabana sezilali ziyana so like into edibene nje nomculo phakathi ndingathi yaqala around 2017 ndisenza grade 8
like maybe eqala njani busayilandela noma busurecorda because ngifuna ukuza leyo part aqale khona uthatha serious
like okay man vele iqala lapho ndayiqala khona yabo like 2018 yabo 2017 18 senza grade 8 ngifunda phi Little Flower
Flower
ngifunda
still abantu base Flower before
like Papa ngifunda no Tix Delta
Kindness kids section I think iFlower na
but yena ndimkhumbula incam
but I think na story sakhe seFlower so I think iyaphila hip hop
like that's where it resides.
So 2018 uqale uphi kanjani
like kulapho la phofu like yabo Kindness no Tix Delta babe ne group yabo I think babe bayi 3
ngiyakhumbula I think Kindness wakumention interview lakhe ukuthi babe ne group
like babe ne group nyana yabo babe bayi 3 nguye no Tix then ke ngoku ubona babe rapper like from kwase-Jonia since like mina ngikho so like ndingathi like kickstart up way yami nomculo but ndazama ngoku rapper but ndabona bana this is not where
amabhazi engahlangana
like like yabola way flows nzima yonke lanto so like okay down the line ke ngoku it was like around 2019 ndizichilele nje pha ekhaya ndiscrolla ku YouTube like that time isigubhu yabo like yabo ngalo maxesha like isigubhu sasila way like ufike sikhona nakweza group zakhona phako WhatsApp izivalo ntontoni so like kwakhwenye igroup pha kuthiwa iTeam Sebenza yabo so ngo ndandiscrolla pha ku YouTube during that time like ezatshala zenze isigqomo entswempe like ndabona ivideo ethi how to make a gqom song like Team Sebenza in FL Studio okay
angena uqale ngeFL
ndaqala uFL Studio ingxaki yabona during that time umama wayendititsha pha Little Flower High School so ngoku nabanikwe laptops pha okay no set amaphepha yonke lanto apha yabo yena umama wasike wathi yo hayi mntanam ndiyazi yonke lento isebenzisa wena emfundweni yabo so ke ngoku nayo loo nto ke so ndaqomba okay after ndibone le video ndayibona le chaplay yenza yonke lento ndingayaziyo like kulo FL Studio ndaqomba okay icebo then download lo FL Studio i-trial yayo like ngona ngikayazi into ezidibene
So at the time ukhaya wenza i-beat yegqomu ufunda ngegqomu.
Ndandifunda ngegqomu. Qha ke ngoku 2020 ngelaa xesha like during that time I think it was around October ngo-2019 when ndandiqala ukwenza so ndandi-distracted nazi-exams and shit yabo. So ke ngoku ndake ndayeka kancane then 2020 azange ndibe nalo ixesha from January to like until elaa xesha kwakuqalisa ngalo i-COVID then kulapho ndaqalisa uba tapped in ke ngoku ekwenzeni like eligqomu. Qha ke ngoku ndabona uba hayi man eligqomu engathi kunzima ulenza makhe ndizame enye igenre man hayi.
Hayi igqomu alikho inethemba ihakho izulenza.
Yeah,
but into emnandi ngegqomu sometimes adinga ama-vocals.
Yeah, like yiloo nto. So like so ke ngoku naphinda stroller phaa ku-YouTube ndilokhile ekhaya ixesha le-COVID umntu lockdown. Ndabona enye ividiyo phayana ethi how to make a Travis Scott type beat ndiyikhumbula channel yelanika. Ndabona uba hayi man kusimple man ukwenza i-beat like a trap beat ndaqomba okay yazini let me just put my mind into making i-hip hop ngoku ndiyibeke ecaleni into edibene nesigubhu ngoba hayi naso isigubhu masesiqalisa uphelelwa ngoku yabo. So yeah practice until like from April till September kwangona.
This is 2020.
Yeah, ngo-2020. Then ke ngoku lenza i-beats kwezi beats zam zokuqala wakhona eyi-one endiyisendela uMkhaya yabo i-track yakhe ethi le track kodwa wafeaturisha uTony.
So i-beat yokuqala omnyayo warekhoda kuyona.
Yeah, yona beat yami yokuqala leyana yarekhodwa kuyo uMkhayines.
So ayikho i-beat owayerekhode kwayinto okudlala nje zaphuma seziredi so rekhodisa abantu olready saqala uproducer.
Saqala uproducer ngoku kodwa sendisendela abantu i-beats yabo. Yeah, so yeah.
So i-production iqale 2020.
Yeah, iqale 2020 production yam.
So bakhona oproducer like abenza ama-beats kuphela bephelele lapho laba sibabiza ngama-beat maker bese kuba khona labo producer abaproducer bephinde bekwazana ukuthi i-record artist i-direct i-studio wena uhlobo lo producer wena.
Oh yeah, mna currently ngoku I'm a beat maker. Ne-mic phaa kum ekhaya qha ke andazi because like andiyirecommend because bazali ba-strict
visitors.
Yeah, so and I do mixing and mastering of vocals like yeah. And sometimes
which is rare le mixing and mastering
ayandanga
especially lapha kuqhuma.
Yeah, like Pablo like Undefeated yabo Top Chef le mixing and mastering. Yeah, so like yeah, I make beats, I record, mixing and mastering. Yeah, like sometimes I rap. Yeah, sometimes yeah. Like even when Sunday
because most of producer abaningi mawuthi ababuza uba baqale nini baqala as a rappers abanye bebothi no ngathi ayisebenzile then befele kule production. But ke le production I think abantu abayenza very few because complicated like ama-software la asebenzisayo akho easy uqala because kumele ube ne-laptop and stuff kumele ube akho easy.
So like yeah,
so akhona ama-artist maybe around Qumbu so ungawamention maybe usuwa waproducela or else maybe wasendela ama-beat la because I think mina khona enye i-content esasirekhode no Lutavage I think it was 2023. Ngezwe beat yakho khona lapho there's something nawe irekodile kule EP I think from impisi amongst ghost EP le
wavy banibani
le no wave le so nawe ngathi bambuza ibeat athi producer wena at that time ngangazweni nokwazi but ama-beat akho kade kulongo wenza maybe bakhona waba-mention osusebenze nawo.
Yeah, like yo
listen usinike 5
yo up at your town.
Yeah, baninzi kakhulu.
Yo like okay Mkhayines obvious Tix yeah Lutavage Pablo Kid Section like yo bro baninzi.
So bonke labantu baninzi abantu babalayo like maybe ubachaja njani ama-beats ngoba nabangani no ubachaja noma
kuba like now like ndiwazi like yabo like bakhona abantu endibachajayo like baphinde bakhona abantu ngabachajiyo so yeah
isebenza nomngani le yakho ibhizinisi noma le
ayinabungani kona like if bro
isebenza ngama-favors
yeah isebenza nge-favors umzekelo yabo there's a project that I'm working on right now yabo the project lena is like I send you beats maybe you can pay me nge-verse okanye nge-hook yabo
so abantu okwazi ukubhenefitha kubona bhek
yabo umzekelo I would say dynasties like we made that
so mawungekho la Qumbu maybe usuke ulaphi because umusic wakho ngathi urekhode nabantu abaningi but isikhona ezinye ingoma zakho onabantu abarekhodile but abangasebala uQumbu so ukuphi la base khona mawungekho la Qumbu
bra like isikakhulu yabo xa ngekho apha around Qumbu sube ndisesikolweni yabo for example from 2022 okokuqala ndiqale matric wami ngezo 2021 so 2022 ndahamba ndiyofunda ekholejini eLibode kulapho kundibene neechap ezapha ezirekhodayo for example uK Corel is a dope R&B singer shout out to him
Libode actually 2021 bengeke ngahlala eLibode ngasekholeji lo thetha ngayo
yeah
but when ufike 2022 I was born by the time
so yeah namanye amajita phayana arephayo spana nawo then ndasuka phaa ugqiba kwam e-KSD phaa eLibode ndahamba ndayela usikisiko kwalapho mphinde ndidibana namanye amajita arephayo phaa for example
so wena just you are producer still or rap
andirap I just make beats ndiyabarekhoda mix and mastering then banike ingoma zabo benze loo nto
usabele Stephanie I think baninzi abantu ongiconnecta nabo abarapper because that time ngihlala eLibode angizange ngibone anyone wenza anything to do with hip hop like i-movement yakhona because like even nama-venues abanawo ke bona like
yeah
it was quiet 2021 maybe manje seba-improve but 2021 ngeke ngazama because ngithi ngifuna i-interview
like yeah zikhona inigazi phayana ezinandikayo
samele ungiplage ini
so yeah then I went to Lusikisiki satsho kulapho ndadibana khona no-Ricky Don like saphinde ndadibana nalamajita khona enye project endisandoyidropha ngoku umzekelo like enye collab tape sayenza phaa eLusikisiki
ikhona wona wonke ama-DSP noma
everywhere
because this another thing ngivele ngidrophe ingoma nje nithi ngidrophe
ayikho ku-Audiomack eqhana ku-SoundCloud it's everywhere eGqamza go and stream that shit
so siyi-check because oproducer abaningi hayi as long babeproduce ingoma kuneza nowedwa wayidropha or wayidropha abanendaba because ingoma yakho so ufuna nanoproduce music so uyafuna ukuba commercial as uproducer noma ufuna just kuba uproducer ube ne-studio urekodele abantu because ziningi izinto owazi ukuzenza even nane-mastering like ungazi ukumasterisha ingoma ezingaproducwanga ezingenziwanga wena qhamuka usebenza i-mastering because kusebhizinisi nayo leyo ithini ne-direction yakhe as uproducer
abo mna like I don't really mind into zoba okay Google let someone own this song, this nigga can have this song yabo since like I'm still an upcoming producer yabo so yeah like if umzekelo nangoku zikhona nezinye producers endisipana nazo yabo umzekelo xa ndine-session ichap ndithi yela bra khasende ii-beats lapho yabo sirekhode phezu kwezi beats zayo instead of ezam
sure
like and futhi like yabo bra being a producer I feel like into like ekwenza uconnecte nabantu abaninzi.
Yeah, because abantu abaningi bonke beza ko-producer bezofuna la.
Because like lento onayo umzekelo, I feel like le way yoba ube produce, ube beat maker, uphinde ube something like a sound engineer, yabo, like it's kind of rare. Yeah,
scarce.
Yeah, it's kind of
scarce
rare.
And I think kumele uqale uapproach nanothi uyisebenzise la kulezi zinto efana nabantu abanama podcast, abantu abama radio station, because ayiphelele lapha estudio. There's another mistake inenza o-producer babathempile kuba u-producer kuphela, kanti lento yabe i-sound engineering as you said. Kumele uphinde uncedise abantu like abantu ufuna uset up ama-mic kuma event and stuff, because into everyday abantu abastrategisha ngayo emshadweni nabantu abasoluswa ama-mic banama-sound system but abakwazi ukucontrol ama-mic because bathenga ama-sound system kuphela. Bakhona abantu abafana nayo, so I think une-skill esiscarce lese-production. Lese-production but kumele ube ne-studio abaqumba itudio zakushoda. It's just that uyasho bafike bengqule lapha endlini so
I know Thando ncam into yoba like kumane kufika like negazi ezininzi ugcwala la ekamereni.
But must make a plan.
But no one's oyenza plan maybe walapha eTutown,
maybe around the town, especially ngoba sinazo studio apha eTown. Aboma aba oqala one studio sokurecord apha eTown.
Maybe ungangonanga une-talent manje evile.
Yeah, because abantu abaningi bafika bafuna ukurecorda but kumele bephinde bekhwele beyilala insebe like that because azekho itudio around eTown. So I think enye issue ekhona leyo. So nama wathola nje sports sakho is right. So affordable singabi expensive because nalabantu emarecorda abafuna ukubhadala ama-artists so
zikhona vele nje.
So nawe belu utarget lapho ungacharge kaningi kakhulu, maybe kakhulu, but angazi maybe 2026 ngicharge malini maybe kuma beats noma nakhona kuya depend.
Mna bra mna like ndingathi andifane ndicharge but maybe minimum 250 like nxa
I think in cheap kakhulu because I remember
inxa yalokhu nam ndicingela like umzekelo ndiqale ndijonge indawo yabonqomba okay maybe yabona apha okay
biselalini
kuba like umzekelo if like ndingatachwa ngoku ichep like the original price yebeats zami 400 eyi-1
sure
yabo nalapho ilisi leyo yabo
because there's one beat engangiyithenga ngo-2014 lekuyiyona le team song ye-Speaker Now. Sasifuna ukurecorda something like there was the time la kwaphupha khona ama-hip hop DJ like u-DJ Switch, DJ Milkshake, everyone wayethatha ama-artists. So nami khona i-beat engangithi ngine-plan yayo, so that time I paid 150. So ngiyathiwa even 10 years later makusenabantu ababhadala 150, no, there's something wrong
kaloku
ama-producers ukucharge because like imali yabo is like I knew because everyone meza usu-expect ukuthi uzomcharge 150 something. Ngathi imali yabhalwa phansi leyo wathi
ingxaki mani yabona i-artists ndingathi ziba stingy kakhulu when it comes to talking about paper yabo. Once nje umention into edibene nemali phakathi
but ngiyaniblame because nine-skill na-something e-rare like mangamphusha like ethi uno-150 la no truth I'll record because uzorecorda up anyways like akanayo i-choice izobhadala leyo mali because I think nani niphinde nibe too soft kakhulu nanothi nisebenze ngokuchomo kakhulu ku-production because lento ine-demand kumele abe nenza imali like mina njengoba ne-skill sokuproducer mina ngaba nemali serious because ngengidlale nabo but I think nina ni-relaxe too much like
inxa kuba like
nanoba lento inenza i-passion so mase khona umuntu oza nemali ezokubhadala i-passion yakho so vele kube njalo but ke maybe ungangineza noma i-top 5 yakho like o-best producers la not even in South Africa nje
like international
yeah I think uyibona ubukela kubona noma uyibona obavumayo
abo okay qala number 5 Southside khona la chap le 808 Mafia yabona chap beats and swim play. Number 4 ngathi ngiswevo like le chap producer lo Blakey.
Okay.
Number 3 ikhona la chap le kuthiwa TM88 like
yase-States.
iproducer la Lil Uzi Vert like onke la majita yawo jeza
bonike Uzi
Yeah. Then number 2, Metro Boomin.
Yeah.
Number 1, Igala, the dealer himself, Zuchi Cook Dope. I play, I look up to la nigga leyana.
So back number 1 even above my international.
Yeah, ayo leya nxa yakhupha pha leya.
Awuzutsha udope yena udope.
Hayi udope leya.
So une take line la. Listen mention I think ngine issue yakho because I take line yakho la iyathukisa but there's something oyishilo ngibuza ngathi that day what no I take line yakho because mina icontent yami lezi ngoma zakho producer abantu ezine take line le ethukisayo le mase efike eradweni lakhe sizodlala kanjani because ama community radio station nama radio commercial banama rules akhona like ingoma ezinenhlamba adlale so wena ithini i-thinking behind le yakho aku-explain kahle why ingoma zakho i-take line yakho okay maybe before u-answer because abantu abaningi maybe i-take line abayazi i-take line ile sound le at the beginning of the song okuyiyona ekutshela ukuthi ngume-producer oba without esho yena so abantu abafana nabo-DJ Cleo I think bona abantu bokuqala esaqala ukuba-notice no-Twizy like Twizy ithi ayoba so ingoma ekasho njalo i-producer u-Twizy so nozuthi une-take line la it is Zuchi in this motherfucker so yona le ngine-issue now ithini i-take line yakho like
la tag leyana oqala weziyeza fani man la tag leyana like nje
yavela njani
yave nje yazivelela andazi ingathi like ndandiyirecorda ndanizama i-tag during that time ba okay no ndingathini so ndifake i-headset ndifake i-mic yam pha ndidlala i-beat so mane ndisithi Zuchini ndabhudela kuZuchini this motherfucker and it sounded tough like la way aqomba
so which year la udecide ukuba ne-take
qha ke ngoku na iphinde ibe disadvantageous kwabantu abaninzi la tag leyana because for umzekelo radio stations airplay yabo so ke ngoku decidile ne uba okay from now manke ndibe ndikhangela umuntu like ongandenzela i-tag entswembu umzekelo yabonga kwi-tracks ezodropa ku-2026 azuba nayo like la tag
remove remove because
so like azuba na tag but zizosho uba produced by uZushi Boy like so until ndifumane i-tag etrend
because I think i-tag like inalo something le eba personal I think mina ibalekile i-take because abanye ama-artists awabelievele u-take abanawo but I think yenza especially makuba ne-hit song eyi-one because anyone osefuna i-hit song ufuna la take le eqaleni because abantu they believe if ingoma yaba ne-hit song yaba ne-take line neyakhe mayina le take line yakhe izoba hit song which is not true the way but ke babelievela kanjalo abantu so I think kumele uphinde uyibuyise lo take line le So 2026 athina ama-plans azuthi khona i-project oyidrophayo anything maybe show ezayo maybe abantu baselaleni belindele athina ama-plans akho
so 2026 like I'm just planning off dropping zonke ezingoma enzenzileyo from the past 4 or 5 years because I've been making tracks, sending beats out, getting verses back, promising to drop, never dropping. So so 2026 drop album, maybe collab tapes namajita, khona collab tapes endinazo, amajita semthatha, khona collab tapes endinazo, amanye amajita like sobona.
So do we have a name for your project or maybe we say
I can't be called like
anyone who mention maybe my features abazoba khona
okay man for example Utah Dynasties obvious ukhona kwi-feature Old School Pansula Parking Chico Dinsky M-Kindness ake ndimyeke M-Kindness enjayahambe yana like all of those niggas King Flow Bakutsolo or YMKs khona i-tracks khona i-track phofu featured kuyo phabung
So
like we're moving
i-project izobe it sound like i-album ngathi nama-song amodern from i-EP.
yeah like i-mixtape ngathi i-mixtape lena ezoba yam then like ezinye zizi-collab projects or collab EPs.
Maybe production i-producer wena maybe 70% or 90% or ezinye ngoma
Like zonke za tracks ezaziphaya
athina ama-handles after YouTube maybe la udropha khona music ukhona futhi already usuprophiwe khona SoundCloud ukhona i-account nayo.
Yeah, ikhona account ku SoundCloud but I don't comment but like ngayostreama phaya ingoma zami
zidala. This means melu i-project then uzo-upload on SoundCloud.
Yeah, surely ngizoyi-uploada pha
But ngathi awukho sure ngo-SoundCloud.
But yeah, but kona up like abantu izona platforms ezisebenziswa abantu Spotify, YouTube Music.
But kusenabantu abaningi abasa-stuck lapha no-SoundCloud no-audio because izinto esiqalele ngazo and abayindawo ingoma zakho ziyahlala because abantu Spotify uphinde ube nama-premium and stuff abanye babalele into efana naleyo so kumele uphinde still ungaluzi la fanbase kunabantu abalalele i-hip hop especially i-local hip hop ku-SoundCloud ne-audio kuphela o-Spotify no-YouTube abasondeli nokusondela so kune-fanbase oyimisayo ngalokho because inaleyo order yakhe especially umuntu opropha ama-full projects njengawo ngiyarecommenda kakhulu i-SoundCloud lapho because bayipromote into yakanjalo even ne-audio mix zothule lo ma-platform lo ungawakhohlwa kakhulu o-Spotify ba-fans spendisa basaba because khushwa nanemali noma i-tune stuff thanda uba nzima into yakhona but especially ingoma le bese awunawo ama-rights awo lapho because lama-platform into ebhida ngawo la amanye la Spotify no-YouTube kuyalinda khona because awukwazi u-uploada anytime. Bele usende ama-code and stuff kanti most ufuna ukudropha something today edisenza namhlanje SoundCloud ngena same time but-ke siyabonga ukuthi ufike uspeaker now because aba-pitch up abantu so shout out to you to feel speaker I think lo nyaka uzivulela mhlawumbe iminyango bazofika abantu be-safe because ama-interview so kuma-social media bakuthola lapha abantu.
Okay, Facebook Sukhanya Zuchiboy Luchwaba, IG it's _Zuchiboy, yeah, like Zizo's. Then maybe phone number and WhatsApp, touch me WhatsApp, DM about Facebook.
Okay, for sure guys, this was the speaker now, it's no Zuchi. Sekhona ku Twitter ethi speaker now, sikhona ku Facebook speaker now, and TikTok c.speaker.now. Away, we're out.